Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie. I have the new Motorola moto g82 with me, and today we're gonna get started with the phone, get through the first steps and show how to get started with this one. When we turn it on, it doesn't start with a double tap as you saw. Gotta press the button here on the side. First thing we see is hi there, a nice welcome, and then on the bottom here you have emergency calls and vision settings. Emergency calls is self-explained, but vision settings you can go to and like customize the size of like the texts here. You can see it's a pretty big difference from the largest setting to the smallest one. This is like the standard setting. If you're fine with that, we'll go with that. So we'll go with the standard setting right now. Then you also have other things here, like display size, if you want it large or small. Also here, pretty big difference. And you can also see if you choose small, these little icons down here, they also change. So we go to standard settings again and then go back. Now we press on start and he wants us to connect to a mobile network. We'll do that in a separate video, so we skip this step. We want to connect to a Wi-Fi. We got to do that anyways, otherwise we can't download any apps or connect to a Google account. So we're gonna do that. Choose the one from home or where you are right now, and then you can put in your password here. So now I put in my password. If you click on show password, it will show you the number. If you're at home, you can just click on it and make sure that the password is in right. Then click on connect and hopefully I got it right. Yeah. And now we come to privacy and software updates. Gotta read through it, and then whether you want it or not, you click on you activate it or not. Accept and continue. Getting your phone ready. Well, now we come to privacy and software updates. Gotta read through it and then accept or don't accept those things. Can easily like change it there. We accept and continue. Now our next step is to copy apps and data. We can choose to transfer our apps and photos and contacts and our Google account from our old phone to our new phone. Sometimes it's nice to have like a fresh start with no old data, but you can choose if you want to or not. If so, when you click on next, I think it shows you what you need to do. Get your old device, find a cable, and then connect them. We're not gonna do that. So we go back, we say don't copy, and now we come to the Google account. You need a Google account for like, let's say download apps, for example, but also many more things on your phone. So I recommend to have a Google account. So I'm gonna log into my Google account right now. So after we put in our email address and our password, we can now click on next. Okay, after we put in the email and the password for our Google account, he now asks us to agree of the terms of Google service. So we're gonna agree and then getting account info. So next step, Google services. Google backup to Google Drive, use location. If you want to turn that off, just press on that little button here. If you don't want to share your location all the time. Allow scanning. This will check for any Wi-Fi around you. You can turn it on and off if you have your location on. If you turn off your location, you're not able to like scan for Wi-Fi around you. So you gotta turn that on, and then it will also like scan for Wi-Fi around you. If you want, you can also turn that off, but still share your location. That's up to you. Send usage and diagnostic data. You don't need that, but you can also like keep it on. Yeah, up to you whether you choose to turn it on or off. Accept. Choose your search engine. Okay, now you're gonna choose what you want. We're gonna choose Google. We go with Google. He now asks us to set a pin. We don't do that now because we do a separate video for that, so we're skipping it. Yes, we're sure to skip it. Now he asks us to continue the setup. Keep going to get your device fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. We are pretty much all set up, so we can leave and get a reminder. And now, stay in the know. This is more about notifications and software updates. We're gonna click on Not Now. Now we're to a new window. Enter your email. By registering my email, I agree to receive exclusive information about product launches, event tips, beta tests, software updates. Not now. Not now. We don't need that right now. If you want to, you can totally do so. Now, next step is to choose your theme. You can choose between the light mode and the dark mode. You see here, dark theme saves battery and is easier to read under low light conditions. Or you say you want to go to the light theme, and then yeah, it's easier to read during day and has a higher contrast. Up to you what you like. Personally, I really like the dark mode, but for now we'll go with the light mode. Next step, choose navigation style. We can choose between different navigation styles. All right. So you see the difference here is with the 3 buttons there to go back, then home, I think, and like a menu. Or you go with a gesture, and then you have this bar down here. It's more like an iPhone type of style, but we'll stick to the Android style and say next step. You're all set. You're ready to start using your phone. That's a really nice message. Thank you. Done. And now we're to our home screen with the basic settings here. That's how you set up your phone. That's how your first steps will go on your Motorola moto g82. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.